of moving us forward. So let's look at what's cool about this. This is an event, right? So here are the details, comments, tickets. So you're going to see some really interesting. So the layout is just different. I mean, this looks visually different. You have, just some really nice colors. I mean, aesthetically, it looks great. But what's most interesting, especially on mobile, is the way these tabs operate. So you're just bringing up tickets. All right, there's not a ticket product attached to this event. Comments, but if there was, it would show up here. So let's look. Let's do events and tickets. Let's just look at. Okay, so here, this one here does. So Low Roar Live. Here's the event. It starts in XYZ amount of days. Here it is on the map. You can get directions. Here's the category. Again, these look really, really sharp on mobile. I mean, this looks good on this screen as well, but where this theme really stands out is two things to me. One, on mobile, it looks awesome. Two, the level of granularity that you can modify the templates, the listing displays, you can do so much cool stuff in terms of modifying the way everything is displayed and how everything appears. So if you look at the tickets, you'll see one. So we're going to click on that. It brings up a new screen, and you can buy a ticket to this event, which brings up a WooCommerce product page. Now we've added it. We can go to the cart, and you can buy a ticket to this event. So this means that you can sell premium functionality to your audience. So both the public audience as well as your professional peers. So you can sell a flat listing to Joe's Pizza, and Joe's Pizza can just have a listing with no special accoutrements on his page. Or you can also give Joe the ability to include a product on his listing, an event on his listing. And again, this really, in a functionally important way, amps up the value that you are able to, out of the box, offer to your audience. Most of the themes and most of the frameworks, it's typically heavy lifting. So the folks behind this really thought this out very clearly and with a lot of foresight as to what people like us were going to be needing, and people in the public were going to be wanting, and people in the peer space or the professionals that are going to be on any sort of directory are going to ask for it. And I think that's really important. And the other thing I'll say, not knowing these guys at all, having a little bit of conversation with them yesterday, just on the comment thread, they just seem like, these guys know what they're doing, and they seem very accommodating. And I think that's a good thing for all of us. All right. So, some of these theme makers and framework developers and otherwise, I've just seen one after the other that's just like not present when it comes to supporting their products. I don't know this for certain, but my sense is that that's going to be the opposite case here. All right. So here is Lyman Restaurant, whatever. All right. So we're looking, and now look at the amount of actions that you can take in the header of this listing. All right. So you can add a review. You can bookmark it. I'm not signed in. Maybe I am. I don't know. You can report it. You can share it. You can report it, which I don't know why anyone has report listing. It just seems like a waste of space to me. Reviews. All right. So you can leave a review here. You can read the reviews here. Again, it is just the real estate on this space is really well accounted for in a highly functional and beautiful way. Events. It's really loading slowly. I think that's not the theme. I think it's my computer. Store, booking. Okay, so you can book using TimeKit, which is also very cool. So I am making an appointment for October 18th at 11 a.m. and I would fill out my stuff here and I'd be able to book this. All right. I mean, again, it's all integrated in a very beautiful and highly functional way. Here's the shop, which again is WooCommerce. They have icons which look great. I mean, you can just buy, you can sell something like a t-shirt in the most basic form, or sell whatever you're going to sell on your store, or you can offer your clients the ability to sell stuff using an external product type, which in this case would be, let's say, an affiliate link. So this could be Joe's Pizza. This could be an affiliate link to Joe's Pizza's t-shirt. This could be Joe's Pizza's t-shirt, and you're just linking to Joe's store to buy, for folks who want to buy a shirt. And this could be an affiliate link where you're making 20% or 30% or 40% of each t-shirt sale. And you can do this over and over and over again for each listing that you have. Again, this would instead of be add to cart. See, in this case, this is all coming through your store. The benefit of using the external product type and having many of your listings submit products is you can make commissions on all of those products without having to manage any inventory, without having folks logging into your site or wanting to get paid, or having tech issues or financial challenges or PayPal payment delay. I mean, there's to me, using an external product type here is the easiest way to get moving. All right, explore by category. Here's another display where it's just icon driven. Here are some different homepage permutations. This is a map. I like the first one the best. There's also this one here. Search brings up some nice looking icons. The typical nicely designed UI and UX elements are also present here. Add a listing. All pretty simple, all pretty straightforward, all really nice looking, well thought out, and really beautifully designed. Anyway, this is actually called My Listing, the name of the theme, not My City. I think I said that in the beginning. I'm going to re-say it again now to avoid confusion. But they changed the name, I think, in the last 12 hours. Again, probably because, to my memory, there are several other My City style directory themes on ThemeForest or probably on WordPress overall, which can cause a conflict. So it's called My Listing as I'm looking at it right here, not My City. Anything else I want to show? I'm going to say no. All right, so I'm going to do another video on my own installation of this, and I'm going to walk you through installing it, getting it configured. This is acting a little bit, like draggy right now. It's really not. I think it's probably my setup here. I'm actually not home again, so I'm on the road. So that wasn't my experience testing this myself last night, and I don't want people to think this is as slow as it appears on my screen. All right, that is it for now. I'm going to have a whole new set of videos on this particular theme because I will be using this on a live project as well. All right, any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks so much. Have a good day.